think they do. So, Mr. Hanson, can you find a partner? Mr. Kevin, can you find a partner? Mr. Black, can you find a partner? Mr. Ollie, can you find a partner and come on up? Mr. Dunn, can you find a partner and come on up? And where is my new 5th grade teacher? There he is back there. Can you find a partner and come on up? We're going to be doing some exercise. A student who is actually dressed up and ready to exercise. Okay, I'm going to have all of them stand over here. You guys can all stand over here. Now, I really, really hope that you guys know the mascots for the NFL because you're going to be playing a game with the mascots. So, I need you to give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. So someone very important to me, he used to play in the NFL. And last night I said to him, Jeff, what are some of the exercises that you did in the NFL? And he said, well, you know what? The basic one was jumping jacks. Can you guys do jumping jacks? What about my partners up here? Jumping jacks? Yeah. Another one, he said, you know what? To get ready for the game, we had to do something called high knees. Do you think they can do high knees? Who wants to show us an example of high knees? Mr. Hanson, show us high knees. High knees, high knees, high knees. All right. A third thing that he told me was, and he screamed something and it kind of scared me and I had to back up and it was like a get ready, get down or something, I don't know. But he bent down really low in a couch and he went as fast as he could. Do you guys think that you could do that? Yeah, I think they could do it too. So what we're going to do is, the NFL has 32 teams. So your partner and you are going to share the exercise. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with our jumping jacks. When I say go, your partner has to do 16 jumping jacks and then you do 16. But everybody's going to have to back up behind this square. So Mr. Kevin, Mr. Dunn, back up behind this square. Back up over here. You guys can spread out a little. This is your field. Back up, back up. There we go. Okay? And then what you're going to do, if you complete your exercise first, everybody knows what this is called, right? Oh, they're not listening, by the way. I need you guys that way. That way. There we go. That way. That way. Okay. What's this called? What is the goal in football? To get the what? To get the football. So whoever finishes their exercise first, and you guys way down there have a disadvantage. So keep scooting. Mr. Dunn, that way. Find some room. They are going to have to come over here, and whoever picks up the football first gets to answer a question. Okay, so, once again, your partner is going to do 16 jumping jacks. You're going to do 16 jumping jacks. The very first adult to finish, you're going to run and get the football, and then I'm going to ask you a very simple question. Okay? Very simple question. We're going to do 3 different exercises, 3 questions. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go! And Mr. Dunn was to the football first. Mr. Dunn, are you ready? He is so ready. Hope you know your football. Mr. Dunn, tell me one mascot who plays for the AFC East. AFC East. I'll give you a clue, Mr. Dunn. I'll give you a clue. Blue, red, orange, blue. He's going to go with the Bears. He's going to go with the Chicago Bears. And your answer is You are incorrect. AFC East has the New England Patriots, the New York Jets, the Buffalo Bulls, and the Miami Dolphins. So, okay, are you ready? We're gonna try another question. Are you ready? This time you're doing high knees, 16 high knees, 16 high knees. Someone needs to beat Mr. Dunn because he does not know his mascots. Are you ready? On mark and set, go! Man, you are quick right there. Your question, are you ready? Tell me a mascot from the NFC East. And I will give you clues. Red, yellow, white, green, blue, silver. NFC East. He's not listening either. I already said the Miami Dolphins. Who in the house has blue and silver? The Dallas Cowboys. Oh man, we're gonna try one more. Get on down there, one more. This time we are doing whatever Mr. Jeff screamed at me. I don't even know what they're called. Are you guys ready? You're gonna crouch. You're gonna go as fast as you can. 16. Are you ready? 16 fast feet. All right, get set, go! Mr. Dunn. Let me tell you how amazing that was. Okay, Mr. Dunn. Mr. Dunn. I think Mr. Black knows all of these, so he should have been over here. Mr. Dunn. If you could give me just any mascot in the AFC, please get one right. Any mascot in the AFC, and I have a prize for you right now. Any mascot in the AFC. He said the mascot is the Steelers. Is that correct? Yeah. And guess what, guys? That is correct. We have a winner. There are many teams in the AFC, and we said them all this morning. Way to exercise, my friends. You made me smile. I have a prize for you. Okay, next up we have Miss Dennis. Come on over.